Has this ever happened to you? I wish people would pay attention. Anyhow, this is not pipe thread. This has a sealing washer on it, just like your oil pan would have. It's not pipe thread, but people insist on putting, if I can get it to focus here, pipe dope on it. This is your oil pressure sending unit, and there's supposed to be a screen inside here to filter out the crap, which somebody's removed. So what I did to try to get all that crap out, first you go in with a pick, try to scrape the best you can, and then I use a Q-tip, all the while using a vacuum cleaner to help pull it out, but you're always going to get some that drops. So I take a pencil with a broken off lead, put it down inside the hole, and just gently to keep everything from going down into that hole. And then I use good old brake clean and an air hose to blow it all out of there. And if you look real close, it is clean. Now I can go ahead and reinstall the screen. And the reason they take the screens out because they get clogged up with crap because they forget to change their oil. And the inside of your motor looks like that. And all that varnish, it'll chip off and get stuck in the screen, and then your truck has no oil pressure or low oil pressure. Now a lot of times that's where it comes from, is just that screen getting clogged up.